I invite each of us to get in a physically comfortable position, relaxing body, mind, and spirit. Informing our whole self that we are here communing in the current of consciousness. It floats through this sanctuary. It floats in the ethers and is activated in each and every one. And as we draw and release a complete breath, we touch the activity of spirit in us. As we step into the flow of spirit in us, we begin to recognize horizons that have not before been apparent. We begin to see, feel, and know divine possibilities in our lives, in our community, and in our world. So this morning, as we step together into sacred silence, we simply allow. We allow the mind to think. We turn our attention to the breath, the movement, the activity of spirit. Coming to the silence, we say, "Here I am. Here I am. Here I am." As we continue in this energy, we name and claim the power, the freedom, and the truth of spirit. And so it is.